What's good? What's good? What's good? What's good? All right, let's see what we doing on NQ. I wonder why that keeps popping up on my screen. Why did that keep popping up? Alright. I may have to restart my computer, bro. What the heck keeps happening? Alright, so on the 4 hour, we're standing in the lower quadrant of this gap here. Okay. It's at 9:30. Win stage opening range gap. Wait, is that? Let me see. We do have all this, so we probably could. Yeah. Okay. I want to take an entry here. If we can get into this low, I'll look to take an entry here to target the sell side here. We trading from this new week opening gap. Yeah, I like that. So I want to see if he can give me an entry. Yeah, here. Let's see if we retrace. Or do we take out the sell side? The macro is about to start now. Here in about a couple seconds. Macros in play. Let's see if it gives us a retracement to this level, to this zone right here, for this CB. On the 5 minute, we do have I'm on the 15 minute. we do have this inefficiency here, so price could want to trade back into that if it doesn't take this out just yet. If it closes around this area, we could look for retracing back into this level, into the civvy. Yeah, ES is doing the same thing, so the mistake I made yesterday was I seen something like this happen yesterday. We had a break past a swing low like this, and it was a fair value gap here, and it was a fair value gap somewhere here. I took my entry here instead of waiting for it here. So you sniped that, and like, that was a crazy snipe, bro. Yeah, that was crazy. That's tough, bro. No cap. I want to enter here, but I want to wait until the 10 o'clock hour hits. So we got 7 minutes. Get a water real quick. What's good, Sadiq, bro? That was a crazy snipe, bro. No cap. Yeah, fair value gap right here. Changing the state delivery up here. You got the. That's tough, bro. For you to snipe it just like that too. That's tough. If we trade into this is what I'm going short. trying to see what could be a potential target. So we have this low here. We also have this low and this low. These are kind of equal on ES, so I could probably target something like that. I like how you putting these highs, putting in these highs. I like that. So with this new 1 hour candle, do we just come take out the lows now? Or do we trade into the fair value gap here? It's looking like this may be a breakaway gap. Maybe. But let's just wait and see. Let's see how this closes. Back inside here. So we took out the low. We took out the low doing the macro. So delete that. Still bearish. So I want to see if I can get on like a retracement or something like that. Or do we just continue to keep going to the downside? Because this was a good entry here on a 5 minute, but I'd rather wait until the 10 o'clock hour switches. I know a lot of people made good money trading this. This was damn near a complete model. That's nice. So this is the breakaway gap. So now I want to see. Hopefully we can get like some type of retracement. Or we can get something like this. We trade into this premium array. Discount. Fair value gap here, we trade into it. So we trade into it, bam. Depending on the high, depending on the low of this range. Do something like this, like that. Or we can just retrace higher from here and then do the scenario like that. So let's see. Okay, this is where I went wrong yesterday, right? So we had a range, say for instance like this, we had a range just like this, and I took my entry here, and my entry should have been above equilibrium. So I want to see if we are we going to retrace back. I wonder how deep of a retracement we'll get. One fair value gap failed, two fair value gaps failed. I mean, hold on, let's wait. Let's wait. Yeah, this little inefficiency here. This entry could have been here, but I wanted to see if we could trade back into this. I mean, into this SIBI here. So from this high to this low, we came into this SIBI. These SIBIs are above equilibrium right here. So a trade wouldn't be bad right now, but I want to wait just a little. I want to be a little bit more patient. See how price reacts with this fair value gap. Tapped into it again. Okay, looking like we may go lower. This could be the breakaway gap. Let's see. Hold on. Okay. So your stop, my stop would have got hit, right? No? Oh no, it wouldn't have got hit if I would have took my entry. Let's say here. Stop loss would have had to go there. Just wouldn't feel safe with it right there, but this happened to me yesterday though. From this high, from this low here to this high, we're already kind of above equilibrium. So I don't think we make it up there. Maybe. Let me see. I want to be selling above the midnight opening price for the most part. We have this on ES here. So ES could trade into that too. I want to see if we do it on ES. Get up into there a little bit more. Dang, look at that rejection. Do we get into it on ES? No. We might not need to. We may not need to. Oh my God. If we break past this one, then I'll know for sure. We ran these stops on ES here. We had the intermediate rebalance right here. They can hit the first fair value gap. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to wait. I'm trying to be a little patient and just wait. Yeah, there we go. So my stop has to be like here for sure. But I don't think it'll trade back up into this though. I don't think it will, but I could be wrong. Okay, we just tapped into it. We tap into it one more time. I'll look for an entry. Three contracts. Damn, bro. Don't cheat me now, bro. Don't do me like that. Stop loss can be
order filled.
Stop loss can be above.
Order filled. Order filled.
Alright, that'll be it. Dang, man, my entry should have been here, bro. I'm gonna work on that for sure. So, entry there on the 1 minute. First target is a 1 to 2. I like how we stayed in the lower quadrant of this. I like that a lot. That's good. What else? View this as an inversion here. As long as ES continues to go higher, I mean lower, we're good. So it gave me 3 opportunities. Yes, this will go. Let's go. Let's see. Let's hopefully and see. I want to target this right here. We already took out the equal lows there, so the next target would be this low, or even it would be this inefficiency here. So let's see if we're on the right side of the marketplace. We should deliver to at least this area. If you look on ES, right, we do have all of this right here. We do have, these are relatively equal lows to me, kinda. So I want to see if we can really just melt at least into the midpoint of this range right here. Yesterday's opening range gap would be beautiful. Facts, bro. If we get something like that, that'd be nice. Let me do this real quick. Cause we may not even need, like, let's say we do decide to come lower, right? Let's say I am right and we do decide to come lower. We could take out this low and still trade into this. I could take profit there. Great, this wick. 50% of this wick is right here. So let's see if we can stand the lower quadrant of that. This is a new 15-minute candle, so what could I do? I'll do this. Price may want to tap back into this. Oh, that's annoying, bro. Then I would have to move my stop. Because my entry wasn't the best. It is 1018. Yeah, price may want to tap back into this. I don't want to see that happen, but it could. It could be another just a re-entry. This is a fresh 15-minute candle. So it's like I gotta let my stop loss get hit, bro, and take another entry if it does it. Cause I could be wrong, and I don't want to just. I could put it here, and let's just hope we stay in the let's hope we stay in the lower quadrant of the gap. Let's hope we don't trade into this. So I'll have to, but this will probably be the only trade I take today then, if that's the case. Because I don't want to risk. I really don't want to risk this much. I want to stay there. That's so unfortunate, bro. So unfortunate. It was happening too quick. This would have been the ideal entry I wanted, but it happened so quick. Like, so quick, bro. So yeah, I may have to move my stop loss just in case, and then hope we stay in the lower quadrant of this gap if we're bearish. If we start to trade back towards these wicks, I'll have to move it at least here. I don't want to do that, but I don't like how we just trade. We should have just delivered lower from that area. We already had trade into this gap on the 15-minute. We already had traded into it once, so it's not like we needed it, you know. Come back to it again. It'd be nice if we could stay below the midpoint of this wick right here, if you can see it. But don't move, bro. Don't move. Stop loss. I went a little heavy on this too. 317. Yeah, I'm probably not gonna. I mean, I can see why you would say don't move, because you could trade back into this fresh presentation fair value gap, but we should stay below this candle though. That's what I'm saying. Like, we should stay below this candle. Like, in all honesty, we should stay below this green candle here. That'd be a risk I have to take though, cause I'm looking at this as just like another re-entry, bro. I'm not gonna lie to you. See if the 5-minute can just push lower. The SO is a safe. PA already pooped. I know it happened here, but this is just one leg, so like We should be able to continue to go lower. We should. A minute left in this candle, so let's see if we can stay below the midnight. Stay below this midpoint. If we can stay below the midpoint of this wick, that'd be nice. I was long before the equal highs, never seen this shit happen before I went break even. I know, bro, this is just, man, bro, this is just crazy. Look at this price action, bro. Like, look at this. This is crazy, man. Look at this, bro. And this happened to me yesterday, though. That's the only reason why I'm saying if we do decide to come back up, my stop should be here for the most part, but I'm gonna have to at least put it here. I'm gonna have to, because price could trade back into this and go lower. Like, look at that. This is too clean for ES still not to, even though we did take that low. We did take this low too, but I'm still bearish. I'm just thinking NQ wants to reach higher into this. It's better if we don't, though. It's better if we don't. It'd be way better if we don't. Four minutes left. Come on. Come on, price action. We have a 1 minute SMT. There's yellow for the news in 5 minutes. I didn't think we were still gonna consolidate before that. We have 1 minute. Yeah, I know. Here. So you looking at that one, right? But I'm looking at this one. So it's like, we have here this SMT here. Let's see if this SMT holds it. This the last go. I feel like this is the last go, because we did all this. We had all this. We got 3 minutes left into this candle. In my opinion, this is the last go. So check 4 hour. It will go up to that 4 hour order block. If we think about it, right, these consecutive up 1, 2, 3, this is one order block. So we already mitigated this. We already came in. We already mitigated this here. All this price action. So like, or are you talking about heading to this order block or here? So I'm looking at the higher one. On what time frame, Sadiq, bro? Another thing too, like So you're probably looking at this here. Am I wrong? This here. But on the 1 hour, this is technically a change in the state of delivery too. If you think about it with this candle. So let me get the 30-second. I'm already up 202. I'd be shocked if we traded all the way back up to this area. I'd be shocked. It could happen. The market could do anything it wants, but I'd be very shocked, bro. Cause I feel like we already worked this, we already worked this range enough here. We already worked the range. So like, yeah, we could still come back. It's still 10:30. It's only 10:30, so we could still come back into it and trade lower. But like, we already tapped into the breaker here. High, low, lower low. So like, there wouldn't really be a point for us to come back up. I feel like, from what I, this is just what I see. You feel me? So I don't gotta be greedy today, bro. I have to the 28th of January to pass this account. So um, I like these equal lows here. That candle, those are kind of equal. Kinda. Wow, look at that. Look at that. Tap in the midpoint one more time. We traded from a new week opening gap. We're past the 50% mark, right? Are we? Or we just traded to it? We just traded into it. All right, we have this order block here. I like the I like that. I could use the close. The close would probably be better. Look at this. This is crazy. No, they will not do it today. God help ES. I know, bro. It is what it is, though, man. What is What type of price action is this? Like, same thing that happened yesterday. Same thing that happened yesterday. This is the same thing that happened yesterday. Like, we created a dealing range. My entry was yesterday. My entry wasn't. My entry yesterday I would have took an entry like this. Yesterday my entry was here. My stop was like here, and price came up into the fair value gap and tapped me out. So the same scenario is happening today, and the same exact like choppy price action, sideways movement, consolidation, whatever you want to call it. It's it's the same thing. Like, same thing is occurring. We have this SMT, now we have another SMT. So we swept this high, but on NQ we didn't sweep the high. We made a SMT. So let's see if this works out. Take the vertical. And plus, we have all of this here. So like, we have all of this opening. So like, we stay in the lower quadrant of the 4 hour of this gap on the 4 hour. In the lower quadrant, we stayed in it. So we are bearish. So to me, so we should continue to go lower. You know, this tiny inefficiency there. If we break above that, then I'm most likely just cooked and out the way. But we got equal lows there now, so let's see what we do. Let me clean that up. It's super small, super tiny gap. Super tiny. I lost 400 yesterday. If you guys want to check out my video, oh yeah, so I'm going to start doing I'm actually recording all this live too. So I'm going to start doing daily recaps and just talking to you guys throughout my day. As far as like when I take trades and stuff like that. I posted one last night, so I'll try to get them posted. Whenever I do decide to make one of those videos, I'll have them posted before 12 a.m. 12 a.m. that night. So so we took out the equal lows, right? Took out the equal lows. I want to see if we can stay heavy. It's only 10:37, so if we can stay heavy and target this low here. I really got to get this weekend. I'm gonna really work on my entries. I'm gonna back test because my entry was here. My entry should have been here instead of here. This is a big difference when it comes to risk to reward, profit, stop loss placement. This is a big difference, bro. Because my TP would be at break even about now. Just at about break even. So so ES is gonna do it. So ES is gonna come up and tap into this. That's basically what it's saying. So annoying, bro. This price action, man. You know what? It's not delivering, bro. It's not delivering. And I hate closing trades, but this might be one of them times where I may have to do so, because what was the reasoning for us to retrace all the way back into this? Like, what was the reasoning for that? You know what I mean? Like, it's not giving me what I want, so I might as well just break up with it. I might as well just what? This could be a run on stops, though. Could be a run on stops, but we're gonna trade back into that. Like, we're going to. That's what it's looking like. Now let's see if we have this order block here, so get rid of that. Let's just hope this was a run on stops and we sell from this. So let's treat this as an inversion. If not, then we're cooked. Wow. What is really going on? Is there something going on that I'm missing about? Am I missing something? Bro, am I missing something? What type of price action is this? I'm just consolidating. Another SMT there. I have to be missing something. Run on stops there. Took out this 15-minute candle high, so that could be a run on stops, right? That's a PD array still. Okay, I like how we closed. I like how we had this closure past this gap here. So let's see if we can just continue to break heavy, bro. Two minutes left. I like how we didn't break above that high. Not again. Not again. Not another SMT, bro. Please. Not again. $30. So we probably could trade back into that. It's better if we leave it open though, but minute and 20 seconds left. He said, God help us. Facts, bro. I had to delete my past live streams because they were copyrighted, bro. I can't play music when while on the stream. It won't let me. I know now. I know now not to do that though. Let's see if we can stay in the lower quadrant of this gap here, of this inversion. It's better if we stay in the lower quadrant of this. It's better for me if we stay in this quadrant. I'm not even looking at this Cibi because we know the Cibi is there, but if we're really gonna go lower now, it's already 1044. We got the equal lows here. We should stay in the lower quadrant. We should leave this one open. Two seconds left. All right, let's see. On a 1 hour, do we trade into like, okay, we are inside this. So we had this, yeah, we had that liquidity taken. But 14 minutes left. We already had the intermediate rebalance. Oh, micros, yep, okay. All right, bet. Okay, Sadiq, I see it, bro. I see what you're talking about. Yeah, we do got 4 minutes, so let's hope that. Let's see if we can, during the macro, right? Let's see if we can deliver lower during the macro. This will be the last hope. I want us to stay here. Like I said, not too many times though. Because imagine people buy this, they see this displacement, right? People see this displacement candle and they see this SMT and they think, oh, we have displacement with an SMT, let's buy. But I believe personally the higher time frame is still bearish. So let's see. Kind of already up. If we break past this low, I'll put my stops to break even. Or I mean, I could just. We gonna see. We gonna see how the macro delivers first. Hope everybody having a good morning. Hope everybody had a winning trading day today. Hope nobody blew their account. And I just, yeah. 2 minutes left into the macro. So let's see if we deliver lower from here. This 1 minute Cibi there. Holding up still. The inversion holding up still. We're standing in the lower quadrant, so let's see if we can just deliver. We break past this low, stops to break even. I don't care. What are we doing on ES? On ES, we still have all of this. Come true to the downside. I'm liking this. if we get like a solid bearish closure, that'd be nice. We got the equal lows now. So equal lows just have been created. 1 minute left into the macro. I kind of want to go break even now, low key, just cause. The launch is going to be the continuation. Hopefully, let's see. I mean, price could trade back up into this gap though. We could. So I'll do that now. I'm okay with that. Macro, let's see how the macro delivers. Come on, macro. Stay in the lower quadrant and let's see how this macro delivers. Inside this inefficiency, and we tapped into the lower quadrant of this gap of the SIBI. I mean of the BISI. Yeah, I think so too. I think so too. Are we not gonna deliver? Let's see if we run these. Let's see if we run these highs and then go lower. Let's see. Macros do like to hunt. During the macros, price does target liquidity and inefficiencies. Price could trade up into this, bro. I just hope that doesn't happen, bro. We already traded into that a little bit. Nope. Come on, ES, deliver. This is a tough morning. This is a very tough morning. Like, price action isn't straightforward. It's doing all this. This is a tough morning, bro. The midnight opening price is I'm selling my PC. This is we got the equal lows, so let's hope you can stay in this area. Wow, from being up 300 to 90, that's crazy. It faked me out again. Another fake out. Another fake out, bro. I don't like that reaction, man. I don't like it, bro. In 30-second, we got this breaker here. Check out that low, high, higher breaker there. take some off this time. All right. I'm gonna be real with you, bro. This is my first time using this platform, so I wouldn't even know how to even take off. Would I just set like a sell limit here or something like that, or a buy limit or something? I don't even know. I never even took partials before. But the way I trade is kind of usually like set up to where like I kind of don't have to. So I usually just go for a 1 or 2. I usually go for a 1 or 2 and everything works out. Sell limit? Oh, okay. Appreciate you, bro. What I would do, bro, what is he talking about? I'm a better person and shit. The way I'm feeling right now, cause this is crazy, bro. This is just crazy. Like, I'm thinking about just calling it a day, man. I don't know. This is just beyond me. After already being up 300, I feel like that would be no point for me to try to. Let's see though. This is the last go here. See how this fair value gaps reacts. This is the last opportunity for me. Midpoint again. Oh yeah, EX is definitely gonna hit it this time.
Order filled.
All right, we just went through all of that, bro. That's actually ridiculous. So we down 160, 168 for the day. Let me screenshot this really quick. Why don't you put your stop loss at break even after liquidity was swept below return? My stop is gonna go break even after we hit this low here. After we took that low, but we didn't take it. I might just wait until the PM session though, because I'll start the live stream if I trade the PM session. But I mean, we do have the equal lows here, right? We have the equal lows here. This could just be another entry if we do trade back into that. But let me set this up. Stop. Alright, let me see. Download that. I'll clear this up. Everything was good though. Everything looked good. Delay is wild. Oh, I have a bad delay. Yeah, but also if you look at the 5 minute, you gotta look and ask yourself, is this A plus condition? Now you gotta take off risk. That is very smart. That is very smart based on like this type of PA. I agree with you 100%. If it's not A plus conditions, then you're not gonna get an A plus trade. That's a good way to look at it, bro. That's definitely a good way to look at it. I'm down 168 for the day, so we're gonna see if the PM session holds anything for us. I mean, we do have that there. 11:30 is the cutoff time, so this could just be like a huge run on stops, right? And got the equal lows there still. I'll get rid of that. Get rid of that. Back at the opening range gap. Consequent encroachment. I like that, bro. Daniel, I like that. I like how you mentioned that. That's definitely a good way to look at things. Same thing happened yesterday, bro. This is crazy. Bro, what type of move is this? Like, what is this, bro? Like, what is this? Price action is so ass, bro. In my trading, I typically chill my stop to break even as soon as my swing low or high gets taken. If I find it to save my ass majority of the time, but also my motto is an inversion. I gotta bounce, but hope you win in life. I appreciate you, Daniel, bro. I appreciate that. I appreciate the tips for sure too, bro. I didn't think about it that way. I appreciate that a lot, bro. Hope you have a good day, bro. I wonder if on ES if we just tap back into this gap here. We tap back into this gap and go lower. Dollar's going lower. What? So the macro delivered higher. We swept the low, swept this low here. Broke higher with this candle here. $15. That would be crazy, right? Imagine this plays out. You sell here and it plays out. From the first fair value gap. That could happen, but I want to see if we use this as an inversion. Got this candle here. Let's see if we get a break below that. 30-second. On ES, what did we tap into? We tapped back into that on ES as well. Let me get rid of this. We stay in the lower quadrant of that gap. Let's see. If not, then we're just bullish and I'm just wrong. I know back then, bro, price would tap into a fair value gap and then it would do something like this and just deliver. Now we have all this new president getting into the office and we have all this world economic stuff. Like, look at this. This is crazy. If I was bullish, this would have been an A+ setup too. Another A+ setup, I guess, if you think about it. We're below the midnight and the 8:30 and midnight. Entry could have been here, but I was looking for sales. Entry could have been here at this gap. You go like stop what? There. There. Yeah, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just take this 168 as a loss. I'm gonna just take this as a loss for the day, and I'll come back to PM session and see if there's anything that that looks good for me to take. That's what I'm gonna have to do. Today Thursday, 7 o'clock. I can get rid of that. Get rid of 10 o'clock. So we're probably gonna head back into the new week opening gap here, as you can see on the 15-minute. Go to the 4-hour. These are all new week opening gaps, so price. Look how price has used them. Support, broke through, support, resistance, resistance here, resistance here, resistance here, support here, support here, support here, support here. So let's see if we trade back into it. We already traded back into this inefficiency here on the 4-hour. We tapped into it there. So I don't think that's enough though. I think we continue to go higher for the time being. Maybe if we take this high, then there'd be like some type of reversal, maybe. But changing the state of delivery right here. So let's see if this plays through. I'll be back. Use the bathroom. Quick. Swear, I see. Better watch your mouth and get the dog and get your daddy. That's that 70 round. Swerving out your section now. I'm in here trading, just another form of gambling. Nah, it's not gambling, bro. I mean, trading is gambling, but like for the most part, like you can't really compare trading to gambling because you don't know if Jordan Poole gonna score 25 points, but you know that if you see a sweep of liquidity or breaking market structure and a retracement to a fair value gap, and we're below the midnight and 8:30 opening, then for the most part, it's probably like gonna play out. Just looking at this right here, looking at all of this, you got the sweep, you got the break, you got the retracement into the fair value gap, which is right here. I'll make it red for you real quick. Into that gap here. So usually this pattern does play out like this. It does play out for the most part. So I wouldn't consider this like gambling though. I don't know. It's gambling if you don't know what you're doing. Put it like that. But if you got strict rules, if you got a trading plan, and you know what you're looking for, then it's not gambling, bro. I like how we breaking below this low on the 1 minute. Look at the 30-second. On the 15, we broke low on the 15 again. So I like that. I like that reaction. Let me get rid of this. I might can give it one more try, man. One more try. 30-second, and we're above. We are above the 8:30 and midnight opening. I mean, we just traded from the 8:30 though, but we got the equal lows here. I'm already bearish. Let's see, man. Let's see. So there's guarantees in trading. Like when this happens, another thing is going to happen the same way every time, bro. That might sound crazy, but the way I trade, it happens the same way every time, bro. The same way every time. What's good, Ben, bro? What's good? But it happens the same way every time. You want to be looking for the same thing. Like if you have a model, and your model is a sweep of liquidity, a break in market structure, and then retracement into a fair value gap, order block, breaker block, inversion, whatever you, however you trade, bro. Um, if you see that pattern happen often and often and often, and it plays out, that's how you know it's not, you're not gambling, because you see it play out all the time. Now you don't know if Jordan Poole gonna drop 25 points for 30 days straight, but this pattern will pop up in the charts for 30 days straight. It might not be on this pair or that pair or the next pair, but it'll be there. I'm gonna give this 2 contracts. Oh no, not the sell limit. Dang, bro.
Order filled.
Let's see if we trade back up into that one. And I'll add one more. If not, then we good. I'm all the way looking to add one more if we create a fair value gap. Kinda late today. All good, bro. I took a loss. I lost 169 for the day, but I just took one more entry. I took it here based on the 15-second. This fair value gap, but I didn't get the entry. I gotta work, bro. I gotta work on some things. So let's see if we can just get past this level, bro. Let's see what we do here, man. If we trade back into this, that'd be nice. I'll probably add one more if we can get a good retracement into it. Okay, that's good enough.
Order filled.
All right. Let's see, man. Let's see. Stop losses above. Where's my entry? Where's my entry at? Go to the 1 minute. 1 minute entries there, bro. I don't like that, man. I don't be liking that, but that's close proximity, so it's all right. I went short, so I went short in this area around, it was like with this candle, we tapped into the fair value gap. I went short there. Price did all of this. I was gonna put my stop to break even here. We came just that short of it, and then price took me out. And now we have price acting as resistance toward the first presentation fair value gap, and we also have this CB here. So let's see if we can deliver lower. It'd be nice if we could, though. Super nice. So target these equal lows. That's all we need, man. That's all we need. We don't need nothing too crazy. On the 1 minute, we entered there. There's, if you think about it, like, there's a gap there. So this kind of worked out perfect. This kind of worked out even better. Stop loss is above. This candle's high here. TP here. For a 2 to 8. This is a 15 minute, so I want to see if we can get right through that. Today's price action is harsh. Yeah, it is harsh. It's readable, but it's harsh. It won't deliver. It's just not delivering on how it should. I actually can go break even here. To be honest, we broke past that low. We got this inefficiency, so price realistically we shouldn't. I can even lower it. I'll just lower it. To be honest, 56, just to give it a chance. But we shouldn't come back above this high if we're going to continue to go lower. Yesterday was the same thing, man. Yesterday was the same thing. Yesterday kind of was a little bit of my fault though. Um, I did it twice. I made the same mistake kind of twice. It happened like right in my face, and I was blind to it. My stop. So like yesterday, let's say I took my entry here. Let's say I took an entry here yesterday, right? My stop loss should have been above this, but it was above the close, and all price did was just come up there and then deliver lower towards my target. So um, yesterday was still a little bit of my fault. I could have made money, but yeah, man. So we have this inefficiency here. This would be the last go for me. We're above the midnight opening price. Traded from the 830 from this. We low-key kind of did sweep this high. Just a tick on ES. We kind of doing the same thing. We ran that high on ES. So would want to see ES close past this. If this doesn't deliver, then I'll be like, I mean, I wouldn't. I would see why I wouldn't deliver, but it'd just be crazy. If we really are bearish, right? If we really are bearish based on a higher time frame, we're already tapped into it here. We didn't. We shouldn't. We didn't close above. See this order block here on the 1 hour. We have this here. This whole entire wick candle. The close is here, so you see how we trade until we mitigated it. So I don't see a reason on why we would want to go higher. We already did enough. We already did enough work to the upside. A bunch of people see this as resistance. I mean, as support. What is this, like a double top or something like that? Some retail idea. A double bottom. Yeah, a double bottom or something like that. Equal lows. Let's see. See if we deliver, man. We all make mistakes in life, but it's about how you capitalize off those mistakes and become a better person. My cousin is funny. I wanna see us stay in the lower quadrant, but I don't think it's gonna happen. We did just tap back into this gap, so let's see if that was enough for us. But uh, this is my stop loss here. My stop loss is there. Super tight stop loss. We already had the movement here, so if we don't deliver from here, we just gonna go back up and trade higher. This price action is not it, bro. So I guess we're gonna buy off this 15-minute imbalance here, bro. Like super choppy. We did all of this. So we worked how you see how we worked all of this here? We worked all of this. We even worked this first presentation fair value gap. We worked all of that, right? We even tapped that. We even tapped into this 4-hour busy. And we still couldn't deliver lower. We still couldn't deliver lower. And this is on the 5. This is actually just a 5-minute. This is a 5-minute busy. This isn't even a 15-minute. Yeah, that on the 5-minute as well. So probably may want to trade into that. We have this gap here on the 1 minute. Want to see if we can use that as an inversion to go lower. I think 13 is the most views I had. I appreciate y'all for sticking around and watching me trade. That's real shit, bro. That's just real love right there. I appreciate y'all. And I appreciate all the likes on the stream too, bro. Like, that's real. That's love, bro. I appreciate y'all a lot. I appreciate y'all, bro. No cap. You just having a hard time. Like we had a hard time here. Another hard. We just having a hard time right here, man. Get rid of that one. I want this to hold. I don't think this is gonna hold though, but I want it to hold though. I mean, this could be a buy here, so I could see why this trade wouldn't play out, but I'm looking at this inefficiency here though, so. Get rid of that. Super tight stop loss. Every day is not a trading day, but once you see like opportunities like this, right? You see a good move, you see a move play out like this, and you think like, okay, this is gonna deliver, but it just doesn't do. It just doesn't. So it's like like I said, I know every day is not a trading day, but um, kind of makes it a little difficult. Um, to even like kind of like I'm not gonna say to know that, but like not to take a trade because we don't expect this to happen. And then you see this clean move, and you see a move lower, and it's just 1, 2, 3 candles straight lower. Then we have the change in the state of delivery here. We have the change here. So it's like, or even here, depending on how technical you want to get with it. But kind of makes it a little difficult. Broke past that low. Yeah, break even now. So uh, whatever happens, happens. 5 minute. Let's see how we treat this. We may reverse after taking this though. We may. It could happen, but I'll have to wait and see. Everything just switched to go lower. Oh snap. Oh snap. I want us to stay heavy here. There's nothing. There's really nothing I would say. Hmm. 30 second. We have a retracement. So can I? Let me do a sell. Sell limit. Wait. Yeah. Okay, so
Order filled.
whoa, what did I just do? All right, let me just chill. Oh, I just lost $2. Okay, I don't know why that happened, but that's crazy. Stops to break even, and or did I add it? Did I add a position? I wonder, did I add a position? I think I added a position, bro. I did not try to do that. No, but oh, buy limit. Okay, I'm new to this, bro. My bad, y'all give me a break, bro. I'm a little new to this. Okay, I'll go break even. Limit.
Order filled.
Bro, why is it doing that? All right, I'm gonna just chill, bro. I'm gonna have to figure that out later. No buy limit. Yeah, I'm gonna have to just figure it out later, bro. I don't know. I have to figure that out later. Watch like a little video. Saturday, me and Brick gonna grab a small little vacuum from the crib. I got you. No buy. Yo, yeah. I don't know, bro. Let me see. This has been a rough week for me. Yeah, who you telling, bro? I just took profits by accident. So, who you telling, bro? Just targeting these equal lows, man. I'm lucky gonna take profits here. Let me see what ES is doing. ES, we got the liquidity here. I'm gonna just do the first low, wherever that first low is at. I really wanna let one go, but I don't know how to like set in the how much cons, how much you want to short right now. Yeah, this is a short position here. Um, how much cons do you use on the 50K contracts? I'm trading the micro right now, so the most I've ever used probably was like 8 maybe or something like that, 12. But I'm still new to the Topstep thing. This is my first Topstep account, and I'm trying to get used to the ticks and everything. So I kind of go based off the head. Like I don't uh I don't calculate my ticks or anything. I kind of like I'll put on 2 contracts because I don't want to risk more than 250 a trade for the most part. The max R risk is $500, but I need this to deliver. This would be super nice if we could just go there. I'll target that and be good. I don't got to get the actual thing, but buy limit, buy limit. I don't know how to, bro. I don't know how to cancel order. I don't know how to put in a buy limit, bro. Like I'm new to this, bro. I'm new to this. I'm not afraid to admit that. I just kind of know how to trade a little bit. I don't know where to buy limit, buy limit. Yeah, I don't know how to do it, man. I've been risking 500 on the Topstep, and nothing's wrong with that, bro. Nothing's wrong with risking 500 on your Topstep account because if you know exactly what you're doing and you have confidence in your model, then you're good. Right click. I'll have to just figure it out. But I do think that this can be a continuation to the downside. If I can figure out this contract thing, So I click buy. I'm on limit, right? Limit. And do I click buy? Do I click buy? Right click on your chart. You want TP. Yeah, I'm right clicking on my chart. I'm on a MacBook as well, so I'll have to take profits if I can't figure it out. Yeah, I'll probably have to just take profits, man. I already lost 168 for the day. I wonder how deep this is gonna go. Yes, but type. You said yes, but type in price where you want. Type in price where I want? Oh, limit price. Okay, so TP limit price is here. What is that? 20. What is that? 20. 21,340. 21,340. And then I just click. So I click buy limit now, right? MacBook is two finger click, bro. Oh, okay. Hold on. Oh, okay. Buy limit. And I'm taking off 2, right? Yeah.
Order filled.
Okay. Oh, okay. I get it now. Oh, okay. Oh, that's tough. All right. So I took off 2. I'm up 287 for the day. Um, yes, man. Okay. I appreciate y'all so much, bro. Like that's love, bro. I appreciate y'all a lot for that because I had no idea on how to actually do how to actually do that. So then the final target would be what? Let's just say, nah, we don't get there today, bro. I don't think we get there today. We gonna see though, but up 287 for the day. Not bad, not bad. Stops to break even. So I guess we can just sit here and just wait until it hits my break even point, or we just all right, in the stream. Let me see. This was a really nice trade though. Really nice trade. Good way to come back from a loss. We waited so I stayed patient all the way through this. I was patient through this. I watched all this happen. I didn't lose control. I didn't overly trade. The old me would have I would have probably panicked. I probably would have been trying to. I probably would have blew my account. Blew this top back in the day. I would have blew this, but we stayed patient. We waited for price to show us what it really wants to do. What it really wanted to do. Traded above the first presentation fair value gap. We had a change in the state of delivery. We seen that on the 15-second though, right? So on the 15-second, we had it here. We had it with that candle if you want to be technical. We had the change in the state of delivery. If I go to a 5-second chart, this is just nothing but up close candles. We have the displacement. We had the fair value gap. We also got a breakaway gap there. Price broke below. You see with this candle, 1, 2, trade into the fair value gap here. So caught everything out. Everything was good, and good way to bounce back. Had a super tight stop loss. So let me put this in my let me screenshot this. I'll get rid of that on the 5-minute. So we got the breakaway gap on the 5-minute here. This nigga funny, bro. Limit buy. You want it. Be careful when you're looking at SMT right now. Bullish. This nigga funny, bro. I go for 1-on-1 most of the time because I always get stopped at BE if I go for larger. And There's nothing wrong with that, bro. One-on-ones pay out too. One-on-ones definitely pay out. Yes, sir. Good trade, bro. Love seeing people get into this space. Yeah, man. Been doing it for a little minute now, so been doing it for a little minute. This is my Discord. If you guys want to join, it's free. Um, my boy Sadiq in here, me in here. We like snipers. I'm not gonna lie. We kind of snipe. We kind of snipe. I post screenshots of the market and everything. This was yesterday's price action. This is how I should have entered yesterday. I went wrong. I went wrong and entered here. If you guys remember, I entered here and here. I gave this trade 3 tries. My target was the sell side and this inefficiency here. We did deliver, but my stop loss placement and my entry wasn't the best, so I wasn't able to, ride this move lower. But this is the Discord. The link's in the description, and we just in here just trying to get better and become financially free for the most part. But YouTube posted a trade recap yesterday. I lost 408, so we'll see what happens tomorrow. But like I said, later on today. But like I said, links in the description. Join up, and let's just have a good time, bro. Chat it up about trading, and I'm looking for longs off SMT being made 1 minute inversion. Yep. Longs may work out. The only reason why I'm bullish, and I think that we could really, if the PM session is going to be the continuation, this is the reasoning why. I'm about to show you really quick. If you're really going to continue lower, this would be the reasoning why. You see this gap here from yesterday, the opening range gap from yesterday. So I say, if we're going to go lower, I say we can at least tap into this, this gap here. Opening range gap. This is the high. This is the low. So at that candle on the 15 minute. So we are respecting we are respecting PD arrays going higher. This fair value gap here. I wonder if there anything on like the 5 minute. Oh, we have this on the 5 minute. Hopefully we can stay in the lower quadrant of this gap. If we can stay in the lower quadrant, that'd be nice. And continue lower, that'd be super nice. So yeah, hopefully we can stay in this area. I don't want to see us trade into this. If we're bearish, I want to see us stay here. Yes, sir. Good shit, bro. Appreciate you, bro. Where is your order flow, your value lines? This is order flow right here, bro. We're just bearish. This is the order flow, bearish order flow. We closed below the new day opening gap. That's a good sign. Facts. And we're between 2 new week opening gaps. 2. We stabbed in the lower quadrant of this gap. Let me see. Hold on. Oh, okay. This is nice. This is very nice now. I think I said this on my last live stream, but usually if there's 2 new week opening gaps and we close below the midpoint of the range of between these gaps, usually we'll get here. Usually we'll get to the next one. Usually, it doesn't happen every time, but I could be confident that we could get there. So I'm bullish too. You guys are bullish? Yeah, SMT, I see it. I see it here, and yeah, I see what you guys are talking about. I see exactly what you guys are talking about. But I want to see if this fair value gap holds. If we're really bearish and price wants to go lower, we shouldn't. The SMT shouldn't even play a fact. So as long as we can stay in the lower quadrant, we'll be good. If I look on the 30-second, ever heard of quick strike? No, what's quick strike? Clear pill, bro. I never heard of that. If you want to see a market maker positioning, you have to see the options positioning on quick strike. I never heard of quick strike ever. Devin Perez, we're expecting a reversal today. Yeah, we want to see price just melt from here. We already traded inside this inefficiency once, twice, 3 times to be honest, with this candle, and that candle. And we really want to see price stay inside, the lower quadrant of gaps. No more than 3 times. You can do it more, but clear pill channel, we trade ICT, bro. Yeah, ICT. Don't worry about quick strike, bro. ICT, good price action, unnecessary. There's value to it. Yeah, I already kinda know. Um, I kinda already know what to stick to and what not to stick to, but I don't mind looking at new things. Let me put this on. All right. Okay, let me look at the chat one more time. Okay. But you need to know value and order flow as well. Yeah, this is order flow, bro. Like this is order flow. This is what you call bearish order flow, in my opinion. If you can, let me show you the higher time frame. From what I know and from what I learned, this is bearish order flow, as you can see, right? Because look, let me just break it down really quick, and this is how I look at the market. So ICT talked about this. Oh, I'm not trying to iPhone mirror right now. ICT talked about this inside, I think, month 3 core content. I'm not sure. Don't quote me on that. But we're looking at expansion moves, right? So from this expansion, from this high to this low, right? Price traded above equilibrium into a discount. A premium. So equilibrium to a premium. This inefficiency here. Then we sell off. That's bearish order flow. Then we do it again here, right? So we traded from discount to equilibrium to premium, and then we sold off from this high to this low. Now we have this high We have this high here. We have this high to this low. All right, we have this high to this low. And what did price do again? We traded lower to a discount to equilibrium, back to a premium, which was a CB here. And then we traded lower once more, right? So what do we do here? From this high to this low, we traded back from discount to equilibrium, back to a premium. So we expect the market to come back where? Equilibrium to a discount. And that's how I look at the market. I have some free sauce for you as well. Okay. Listen to me or don't ICT, but 9 and 21 EMAs work very well. Certain, yeah, I know for a fact EMAs work really very good because I have a friend. She day trades. Should have held by emotions got to me prior. PA was limiting to my confidence. Yeah, see, even my homie right here, my homeboy, Jacob, he uses EMA as well. But EMA's work. I'm not taking any anywhere from that. I use the 2022 model a lot. That's kind of how I trade too. I use the 22 model. But yeah, you can incorporate retail with smart money, and it can work just fine. You took the same trade. You took the same short later. Yeah, good shit. Yep.
Order filled.
Okay, so I think okay we just hit our limit break even. So this was the move for today. We was able to get back everything we lost plus more, which is good. Um, I'm up 5.7 in the account, so I have to make what 53K. So let's hope tomorrow we can um, turn this into $1,000. So that's what we'll be looking for tomorrow. Just being extra patient like we was today, waiting for the right setups. Um, Staying composed, staying calm throughout the trade. Even though price action can be annoying, bro, this can be very annoying. Send through this. Like I said, the old me, I would have probably been scared, closed the trade, and took another trade, and closed and took another one. I would have messed myself up inside this price action. But as I've gotten older and my experience has gotten a little bit better, I learned that it's easy just to stay patient, stay calm, and just wait, and don't rush back into a trade. You see how I didn't rush back into it? I waited. So I see we used the first presentation fair value gap, traded back below it, um, past this low too. So we got this low and this low. So I just waited patiently for a retracement into a fair value gap, kinda, which is there. And you see here, my stop loss was very tight, and targeted the equal lows. Order flow meaning cumulative delta and tick delta. I've never heard of that clear pill channel, but that's something I don't mind looking into. If you want to join my Discord and send me like a little link or anything like that, I don't mind watching it. Clear pill, he doesn't trade his hand. So you can enhance these strategies with how the banks trade. This is why I keep mentioning value and order flow. Now that I think about it, I did see this dude on Twitter. I don't know his name, but I think he talked about. I seen him post about value, value and order flow. So basically, what he was doing was like he would count the candles. He would count each candle, one, two, three. It was something. It was something with the numbers. And ICT even commented on his post and was like, "You're onto something" or something like that. He said something like that. But it might have been Smart Alpha. I'm not really sure. This was a minute ago. But now that you said value and order flow, it kind of clicked with me. Good luck with everything, bro. I'm about to hit the gym. Too fire, bro. Yeah, I'm probably. I don't know if I'm gonna hit the gym today or tomorrow. I went yesterday and the day before yesterday, so I might go today, depending on how bored I get. Um, Thought I'd pop in and give some insight. Love helping new traders. Facts, facts. I appreciate the help, bro. Appreciate the advice. I appreciate the help. I appreciate all of it, bro. No cap. He's an institutional bank quantitative. Okay, so we might be talking about the same person then. We might be talking about the same person. Let me go to my Notion. So, um, this week, like I said, I could have been a bit more patient and disciplined. Every day, trading every day is not needed if it's not an A+ setup, while being okay with the fact that there will always be a lot of opportunity in the market if a move does still play out. What I will focus on is taking A+ setups. I want to be buying below the midnight opening and selling above this week. I will focus on taking profits at lowest hanging fruit objective and using proper risk when it comes to setups and price action. I feel like I did a pretty okay job with this week. Pretty okay job. All my trades were above the midnight opening and 8:30 opening for the most part, so that's good. Um, so yesterday kind of ate me up because I took 3 trades yesterday and I lost 404. That can't happen again though. That definitely can't happen again. I can't make 400 then lose 400. That's not how it works. But so today I had today I had one loss and one winner, right? Yep. One loss and one winner. Um, Delete that. So in Q we took a loss. Also, you guys, if you guys join my Discord, like I said, it's free. I'll send you this actual free template right here. This is free. You can actually set up an actual graph, and it'll show your it'll move and show your P&L and stuff like that. But if you join my Discord, I'll send you this for free. If you want it, just let me know. It comes with more things too, but I don't use everything to it. But good template to have. So I took a loss on NQ. And then I had a winner, right? I had one winner. Had a winner there, right? So I took 1, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm 4 for 4 for the year. And P&L is back at 714. So I gotta make 3K before. I gotta make 3K by next Tuesday. So let's hope tomorrow we can get hope tomorrow we can reach over 1,000. Put the account over 51K, and then going into next week, let's see if we can finish it up. Trades the oil market for his bank single-handedly. That's nice. ICT don't even use IG. They have a YouTube here as well. Compass FX. Search it, man. I promise you, it will enhance your ICT strategies. What's his name? What's your Discord? And my Discord, you can click the link in my description, but I'll type it in the chat if I need to. Give me 1 second. That's my Discord link if anyone is interested in joining. But what's your Discord? I dropped it below. This is why he takes time to show us what the actually banks do. I appreciate y'all. PM you. Okay, bet. I appreciate you, bro. I'm actually gonna look him up though. Cause he has me kind of like a little kind of want to see what he's talking about now. I'm actually gonna look him up though, cause he got. You guys can follow me on Instagram as well too at Trey Futures. Shoot me a DM. Oh, I appreciate this. I appreciate the sub. Oh, I appreciate that. Yeah, this is my Instagram. I can actually show you really quick. Hold on. If you guys can see that. I don't know if you guys can see that. But Trey Futures. This is the real me. So let me see what's his Instagram. I appreciate you. When I click this set invalid link, I don't know. Okay, give me 1 second. Let me do this for you then. I can do this. Do it right on live for you. Invite people. Copy link. What I'll do is this here. New channel. If I can click on it, do it right on. Okay. Okay, let me know if that links work. That one should work. Again, I appreciate all the likes and the subs. I appreciate y'all, bro. Like I really appreciate y'all. I've been seeing this dude Jay pushing plays, and he's been going crazy. I don't know him, but he's been going. I made 2,500. He be smoking and stuff like that. Big gas in the air, big gas. But did that link work? It worked. Thanks. Okay, no problem. But he's been going crazy. He just became a funded trader. I watched like one of his videos, maybe one or two, I think. And he's doing his thing, bro. It's good to see people out here grinding, learning the skill set, bro. Because taking long on NQ here at 21,400, I've been in it long. It's super choppy. Where'd you go long at? You had to go long at least. Here, let me see. Let me just screenshot this before I forget it. Inefficiency there. Middle line there. I see this happen a lot, bro. Like so often, bro. Like after the 11:30, and after 11:30 hits, right? So say we had 11:30, and we deliver past the swing low. Price usually reverses, bro. I've been seeing that a lot, like a lot. First loss there was here somewhere. But what's his name though? My bad. That's what I meant to search. What's his name? I made 2.6K yesterday on my prop firm account trading 2 contracts, all from his strategies and teachings. Using 2 contracts? Well, you're not trading the micro, right? You can't be trading the micro. If you were trading the micro and you did that, bro, like that's hella good, bro. That's nice, bro. His name is Compass FX. Compass FX. Institutional Trade Group.
And welcome to
Trade reflection, micro adjustments, chaos versus normal. I've never heard of this.
Has anybody else seen them weird ads with people talking about some $5,000 spending card they claim from Uncle Sam?
I ain't trying to hear all that, bro. Whoa.
Time for them to collect their thoughts about whether trading is working for them, and if it's.
I'm gonna be honest. I don't even know what I'm looking at. Yes, this it. After liquid sweep, okay. This is crazy.
Not
Like,
what they need to do about it. Now, they should be doing that micro adjustment all the way through.
okay. Oh, you were trading minis? So you were trading the micro. You were trading M and Q, is what you were saying. And you made 2 point, all opinions and stuff. Yeah, you covered a lot of info. Wow. Yeah, that's fine. You can send it to me. I'll look over it. But these videos aren't too long either, so that'll be a little nice. So does he use like ICT concepts? That is order flow. Pro Mac institutional trades.
Of course, we've got a nice buy trade up here, turning into a sell trade at the top edge, starts diverging into the top edge here. It doesn't yet cross over, but the divergence is always going to get your, the fact that you've got a red into a high price and you start seeing that divergence appearing. You know that means that you're getting that max sell coming in, so you're starting to look for the short. It doesn't develop. The buyer's coming back in here on green, but obviously it's still sell side business here. And then it does go sell side, but it doesn't go very far. It turns back grey when it presses back to the top edge on green. That's just normal business going through. And then it turns grey and it turns red at the bottom edge. That's normal business. As it goes forward, interestingly enough, we start seeing the change here. You see how we go crossover here on green? So obviously you can see that as we trade into the bottom edge, very similar to what happened up here where we traded into the top edge and we were getting that very obvious crossover developing.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't understand what he's talking about. I understand he's talking about this crossing and the green and it turns red. Those are value lines he's showing. That is order flow. No, I trade NQ contract. No, he makes fun of ICT. He makes fun of ICT. Oh, whoa. I'm going to be honest, in my opinion, yeah, it's like a child painting. Yeah, I don't know what this is. I mean, if this dude, what's his name? If Compass can read this, then that's good for him. But this right here, with like, I'm looking at this and it's kind of giving me like, I don't know. This is just too much going on. But if it works for him, that's very good. That's very good. If it works for him, that's good. But yeah, man. Hello. What's up, bro? How you doing? I appreciate you for joining. Is this Clear Pill? I don't know. I don't think that's Clear Pill. Getting mad FOMO right now would have been along, but my account like SMT, but why'd you lock your account? Why'd you lock your account, Jacob, bro? To be honest, bro, like getting mad FOMO right now, to be honest, like I'm gonna be honest with you, Jacob, bro, there shouldn't be no reason why you like kind of get FOMO because I've seen you've been in the Discord for a long time now, and I don't see a reason on why you would be scared to, like, your entries are good, you can read, you can predict the market. Just keep your trading simple, bro. Keep it simple. Don't switch anything up, and just keep it the same, bro. You good, bro. And you should incorporate this right here. This right here. This will help. I made a new one though, cause this is a new 2025, but this is my old journal here, right here. Well, these are both my old journals, but journal entry log right here, bro. This is my model. You see, this is look how I look to trade. I promise you, Jacob, if you do this, if you just do one of these a day, or even 3 of these a week, just 3 screenshots a week, bro. I promise you, bro, you won't have FOMO. But this is nice though, bro. I like how you caught that. To be honest, this is all you need. Your stop loss is that. If it's there, then you've made more than enough. You've made more than enough, bro. For the most part. But you got the SMT there, SMT there. And I think I don't know much about this strategy, but I've seen it play out numerous times. I don't know all the requirements. I know certain, but not all of them. But I think this is good. Let's go. Appreciate y'all. Appreciate y'all. Appreciate y'all. The more complex, the more you can sell. I prefer simple. Yeah, I prefer simple too. Um, I appreciate you saying that, bro. I got the strategy down. I gotta get more discipline. Just come with practice, bro. Like, it's not about. I feel like that's where a lot of people go wrong too, because I'm 3 years in, bro. I think you're only like what 6 months in. I think you might be lower. You might be less than that, and you're already like on a roll. You already have your top step passed. Like, that's rare, bro. Like, you have to understand. Like, I don't think you understand it. I don't think you understand, bro. Like, that's rare, bro. You already have a top step account passed. And if you really wanted to, bro, from looking at the screenshot, it's looking like you can request for a payout. Yeah, so if you really wanted to, you can request for a payout. You can take your 400, and that could be 400 you didn't have in your wallet, bro, and that's gonna hit different. But um, yeah, this month is my fifth. Yeah. See, this is your fifth month, bro, of trading. So like, in my opinion, I think you're good, bro. I wouldn't say it's a discipline thing, bro. I would say it's more of like, cause you're disciplined. You're executing at the right times. You might be a little nervous, bro. And I'm gonna be honest with you. When every time you press that button, um, you're always gonna feel something. You're gonna feel something. You feel me? The best traders do. It's not just you. Like, you're not a robot. You're a human being, bro. So like, it's not a discipline thing, bro. It's just being confident in yourself, bro. Being confident and um, knowing if it'll deliver or not. But all you have to do is just look at, fair value gaps, inversion, and see how price reacts to them. That's kind of all you got to do. Like, like for me, if I was bullish, right? If I was bullish in this scenario, I wouldn't want price to trade. I wouldn't want price to I wouldn't want price to trade below the midpoint of this gap. I would want us to stay above this. We can wick through it, but I want us to close above it and then go higher. But if I'm bearish, I want to see this hold and this used as an inversion. So it's kind of simple for the most part. I feel like, at least a little bit, if you get what I'm saying. But I still think that we can come to this low. I think that this low at 21,243.50. I think that we still can reach there. So I say we use this gap here, and I think we go lower. That's my, especially after seeing the displacement past this swing low. We closed below this gap here, this BISI. Now we're trading inside this one. Let me look at the 5 minute. Okay, we're trading inside this 5 minute gap. So we already closed below this one. So let's see if this is an entry here. Stop will have to go above there, and you literally would target that low. You could target that low. You could target this low, or you could target this inefficiency here. So Now my top step either I haven't passed it yet. I'm up 1.4K though. Oh, okay, bet. I thought you already had it passed, but you're good, bro. You're gonna pass it. I know you will. I know you will, bro. You will pass it. You got the 130 here. If I were to take any trades, it would have to be after 130. I wouldn't take a trade. I wouldn't take a trade now. I wouldn't take it now because we're between the lunch hour. So even though the lunch hour, it might give a decent setup. This setup might play out, but for me, I wouldn't take this. I would just let it just do what it do. I could see this. I could see this playing out both ways. I'm not gonna lie. I can see this playing out both ways, but I'm gonna stick with the higher time frame bias. I'm about to give y'all like a little gem real quick. Let's see if it played out. When I used to trade Forex, I would take a trade. So I would do here. I would go here. Let's see if it worked. Oh, okay, so this was like my ultimate. Oh, my PC, all my computers at 10%. All right. So I would back then when I would trade Forex, I would go from the close to the open if we create a range like this. And back then I would snipe this every time, bro. But I don't kind of use optimal trade entry as my entry model anymore. I just stick to the fair value gap for the most part. But let me see. We got that there. It's 1224. So we got the equal highs here. So for those who are long, if you were long here, another SMT, right? You target the equal lows. We got more equal lows being made. This as an inversion. Now price could come back into this and stab into this, but I would want to see it stay in the upper quadrant if we're bullish just for now. So I would want to see price, if we do decide to come lower, just tap into it and then go higher. Or it'd be better if we left it open. But depending on how this candle closes, I'd want to see something like this. And then you can target here. I would probably target this though. I would just take profits here because price usually will reverse from this area like it did there. So we left these highs intact, right? We left these highs intact. We have that little gap there. We have a little gap it tapped into right there. You can see it. We tapped into it just right there. Volume imbalance. So if we're bullish, right? We already tapped into this. We want to see these stay open. We want to say this inversion, this upper quadrant, stay open, and we can leave this bitchy open as well. That would support the narrative that we're bullish for the time being. And you could take profits here at the price fair value gap, or the 8:30 a.m. opening price. New week opening gap is here, so price will probably like. So the new week opening gap. Let me see. Okay, so when we get, if we do get to this area here, right? Price will probably do something like this. It'll probably just consolidate just for a little bit, maybe not this many times, but we have this new week opening gap here. We got the first Prezi here, and we already have a CB here, so price may be stagnant right there just for a little bit. Let me show my trade execution so I know. Show execution, save. So this is for today. Yeah. Wait. Okay, yeah, I went short here. Short here. Lost there, took a little loss there. Short here. Think I went short again here. I think I did this by accident though. I mean, it still worked out, but I did this by accident. I took one here, I think by accident. I took one here. Can't remember, but passed my 50K today, 2 days. Good shit, Will, bro. That's how you do it. That's how you do it, bro. I feel like I could pass, like if I really wanted to, I could just risk 500 and pass it, like, tomorrow or let's just say like next week or something like that. I could just, but like, we have 4 days until Trump gets into office. I want to be a little cautious about it. I'll be a little patient. I got a decent amount of time to pass this account, so want to create like a little buffer first. If I can create a buffer of like 5.1, I'll go 5.1 because I've been risking like 250 for the most part. Kind of every time my risk has been under, has either been at 250 or under, right around that mark. And I've been catching some decent trades, but price action. Like yesterday, I shouldn't have lost. I shouldn't have lost $400 yesterday because Monday I won 400. So Tuesday I shouldn't have lost 400. Like that doesn't make any sense whatsoever. You feel me? I just entered another contract at 21,375 LOL. Cumulative delta was too short. The market makers are great along business. Off those, up we go. See, and I believe everything you're saying, right? Everything you're saying, it sounds good, bro. Like, I know it works. If you're making money off of it, I know it works. But this is just what I'm looking at. I'm just looking at, we used this 5 minute. We took out the sell side. We inversed this Sibi here. We used this 5 minute BISI to go to the upside there. We inversed this 1 minute. And now the drawn liquidity is here, in my opinion. I just try to keep it real simple. I'm pretty sure whoever learns about, cumulative delta and stuff like that and value and everything, I'm pretty sure it's super easy. I'm pretty sure it's super easy, but once you know the stuff and everything, but this is just what I see, you feel me? Sweep of liquidity. Keep it super simple. Sweep, we see a sweep. On ES, we don't have the sweep, we have S&T. 5 minute BISI here. We gotta include this too, right? We gotta include the bottom balance. 5 minute BISI here. We get rid of that. And what do? We target the equal highs. Bam. So we have a pillaring of highs right here. ICT talked about this pillaring. So like once you'll have equal highs here, then we have a high like this, then highs like this. So we have a pillaring of highs right here. So I think that's the opening range gap, consequent encroachment. All these levels I got on my chart, you see how we react on my of them, right? Opening range gap. We use the midnight opening here. Breaker there. Good stuff, bro. Risk management is everything. Yeah, of course. I was trading a funding pit. I think I still have the account. I'll show you guys. I'll show you because I don't care about this account anymore. I do plan on giving this away. So, but I have this account here. So this is my 50K funding pips challenge. So this is back then when I was trading Forex. As you can see, I passed the account. It took me like, let me see. It took me literally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 3, 6, 7. So it took me about 7 days to pass this account. You feel me? And then now I'm inside this phase 2, but I don't trade this. I don't trade this anymore, and I'm down. You see how much I'm down? So I was originally down like 8%. Then I got myself back in profit, and I was about to pass it again, and then now I'm back down. So this was the account I was trading last year. I've been trading this account for like, I want to say like over 7 months now, and I wasn't able to get it passed. But trade, I never blew it though. Like my risk management always stayed up to par. Everything was good. This was the month I almost passed it. So I was getting myself out of drawdown. As you can see, I had a really good month in September. And then started off super good, super good. And I started taking in losses. And then it just kind of went downhill. But during this time, bro, I just realized like if you can't trade a prop firm challenge or something like that, or a futures Topstep account or Apex, whatever you want to call it, if you can't trade that and handle risk properly with that, then there's no way in hell you can trade your own live account. I've had this account for 7+ months and I never failed it. I never blew it. I never failed it, bro. I always took my time, been patient with it. But now I don't trade it anymore, so it's just here. But fun watching you, bro. I appreciate you, bro. I appreciate that a lot. NQ follows SP500. Yep. NQNES. So wait. NQ follows SP. Oh yeah, this is ES. I'm tripping. That threw me off a little bit. We have US 30 right here. YM 30. Let's see what we're doing on YM. I appreciate that, bro. I appreciate all the people joining my Discord too. Yeah, if you're new to the Discord, like I said, I think what's his name? Yeah, if you're new to the Discord, make sure you click the rules tab. Click the rules tab, and we just kind of want to have like good positive energy. We want to be nice to each other in the Discord. We ain't trying to downplay the next man. We just trying to be cool. Everybody trying to get to the next level and shit like that, bro. We just trying to keep it cool. So if you do decide to join the Discord, keep the energy good, keep it positive, and let's just grind and help each other out, bro. That's all we gotta do. Grind and help each other out, support each other, you know. You feel me? So if you're new to trading, right? If you're new to trading and you join my Discord, I have everything. I have all the playlists that you need to watch. You don't need to watch all of these, but these are everything I watched. So this has helped me, you know, develop my model, and it's helped me with my experience with trading. And 1 second, let me do all this. I also got a notebook. I got a notebook full of notes. What's my computer on again? I don't want to let it die. It's on 3%. All right, so I got notes from my model here. If you can see, all these are full and back. It's the same thing. I was literally repeating the same thing. I was writing what I seen. My stop loss was 11.4 pips. Profit was 34.2 pips. This is back when I was trading GJ. This was in 2022. So in 2022 is when I really started to like lock in, when he dropped his ICT mentorship. But I got all these notes. I got the entire 2022 mentorship in here. I got most of the core content in here. I got the primer series in here. I have everything in here. You can see this whole notebook is pretty much full of notes. But this is how I learned and how I studied ICT. This was the last episode 41 for now. I finished it there. If you can see, you might can't see it, but finished it there. This is the core content right here series with this section here. If you can see it. So I have everything. I have all the notes. I have everything. So that is where I'm at on my journey, man. But my computer's on 2%. I appreciate everybody who joined the live stream. I appreciate everybody who subscribed. We currently are at, let me see. One second. Accept. Delete that. We currently are at 379. So I appreciate everybody who subscribed, who liked the stream. I'll see you guys tomorrow. I will stay longer and talk to you guys, but my computer's about to die. But I appreciate y'all. I may drop another live trade recap today. I like doing these, especially like late at night. I'll have it out before 12 a.m. and I'll go a little bit more into detail. I won't go too into deep. I don't want to confuse you guys, but I'll drop another one tonight, and then I'll drop another psychology video. Here's some regarding my journey and how and what I think, on what I think traders should be doing, and you know, to become a consistently profitable trader, to become a full-time at least. So that'll be it, man. Like I said, I appreciate y'all. I love all y'all, bro. I really do, bro. Believe it or not, even though I don't know y'all, I love y'all, bro. Y'all came and supported me, watched me trade, and that's all I can ask for. So that'll be it, man. I see y'all tomorrow.